وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُّدَّكِرٍ.
In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. Alif, Lam, Mim. These are the signs of the wise book. Guidance and mercy for the good doers. Those who perform the prayer, and give the purifying charity, and are certain of the hereafter. These are upon guidance from their Lord. These are the successful. And among the people is he who trades in distracting tales, intending, without knowledge, to lead away from Allah's way, and to make a mockery of it. These will have a humiliating punishment. And when our verses are recited to him, he turns away in pride, as though he did not hear them, as though there is deafness in his ears. So inform him of a painful punishment. As for those who believe and do good deeds, for them are the gardens of bliss, where they will remain forever. The promise of Allah is true. He is the mighty, the wise. He created the heavens without pillars that you see, and he placed stabilizers on earth lest it shakes with you, and he scattered throughout it every kind of creature. And we sent down water from the sky, and we caused every noble pair to grow therein. This is Allah's creation. Now show me what those besides him created. In fact, the unjust are clearly lost. We endowed Luqman with wisdom. Be thankful to Allah. Whoever is appreciative for the benefit of his own soul. And whoever is unappreciative, Allah is self-sufficient, praiseworthy. When Luqman said to his son, as he advised him, O my son, do not associate with Allah, idolatry is a terrible wrong. And we entrusted the human being with the care of his parents. His mother carried him through hardship upon hardship, and his weaning takes 2 years. So give thanks to me, and to your parents. To me is the destination. But if they pressure you to associate with me what you have no knowledge of, do not obey them. But keep them company in this life, in kindness, and follow the path of him who turns to me. Then to me is your return, and I will inform you of what you used to do. O my son! Even if it were the weight of a mustard seed, in a rock, or in the skies, or on earth, Allah will bring it to light. Allah is kind and expert. O my son! Perform the prayer, advocate righteousness, forbid evil, and be patient over what has befallen you. This is a course worthy of resolve. And do not treat people with arrogance, nor walk proudly on earth. Allah does not love the arrogant show-offs. And moderate your stride, and lower your voice. The most repulsive of voices is the donkey's voice. Do you not see how Allah placed at your service everything in the heavens and the earth? How he showered you with his blessings, both outward and inward. Yet among the people is he who argues about Allah without knowledge, without guidance, and without an enlightening scripture. And when it is said to them, follow what Allah revealed, they say, rather, we follow what we found our parents following. Even if Satan is calling them to the suffering of the blaze. Whoever submits himself fully to Allah, and is a doer of good, has grasped the most trustworthy handle. And with Allah rests the outcome of events. Whoever disbelieves, let not his disbelief sadden you. To us is their return, then we will inform them of what they did. Allah knows what is within the hearts. We give them a little comfort, then we compel them to a harsh torment. And if you ask them, who created the heavens and the earth? They will say, Allah. Say, praise be to Allah. But most of them do not know. To Allah belongs everything in the heavens and on earth. Allah is the rich, the praiseworthy. If all the trees on earth were pens, filled by the ocean, with 7 more oceans besides, Allah's words would not run out. Allah is majestic and wise. Your creation and your resurrection are only as a single soul. Allah is hearing and seeing. Have you not seen how Allah merges the night into the day, and merges the day into the night? And that he subjected the sun and the moon, each orbiting for a stated term? and that Allah is cognizant of everything you do? That is because Allah is the truth, and what they call upon besides Him is falsehood. And Allah is the superior, the great. Have you not seen how the ships sail through the sea, by the grace of Allah, to show you of His wonders? In this are signs for every patient, thankful person. And when waves, like canopies, cover them, they call upon Allah, sincere in their devotion to Him. But when He delivers them safely to land, some of them waver. None denies our revelations except the ungrateful traitor. O people! Be conscious of your Lord, and beware of a day when no parent can avail his child, nor can a child avail his parent, in anything. The promise of Allah is true. So let not this life deceive you, and let not the deceiver deceive you about Allah. With Allah rests knowledge of the hour. He sends down the rain, and He knows what the wombs contain. No soul knows what it will earn tomorrow, and no soul knows in what land it will die. Allah is all-knowing, well-informed.